Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to this channel. How are you doing today? Hope you are good. I'm good as well. I bring you greeting from my place. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on time and place of watching this video. Thank you for clicking on this video. If today is your first time, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support, for always coming back. This channel promotes styles, different hairstyles, the process of making them, the different styles you can think of. If you want to know more of what this channel is all about, I will want you to please browse through the channel. We have uploaded beautiful, gorgeous, and fascinating styles in the past. Just go through them and please don't forget to show support as you watch. As you can see already, this video is all about stitch braid. It's a combination of the stitching process and also beautiful styles, different creative, different cutting of stitch braid you can think of. This video, I'll tell you that it's loaded. So if you're a stylist, I want you to watch to the very end. Just check as this one here, you see the stitching, the process of making stitch braid. First of all, you will use your edge control to really control the hair so that it will be neat as you braid it. It's very, very beautiful. Look at the outcome of that. It is beautiful. You can create it in different ways. You make it tiny, you make it fat. This video, I tell you, it's loaded. If you want to see more of this, I want you to please watch to the very end, and don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button. Subscribe please if you have not done that. Like this video. You can share this video if you don't mind. Feel free to leave a comment at the comment area. Screenshot anyone that you see you like. Tell me what you think about it in the comment area. If you're a stylist, share it to your WhatsApp status, your Facebook page, your Instagram handle, so that your friends will see. Keep watching. Bye.